Today I will teach you how to add cash advance or CAs in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Shein Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. After entering, proceed to the Employee module. Click the Employee module. After clicking, two categories will appear, namely List of Employees and Payroll. Click the Payroll category. Once you click it, a module named Cash Advance will be shown. Click the Cash Advance module. Then click the plus button above or the Add Cash Advance button below. It will bring you to a section where you'll encode some details pertaining to the issuance of money to a particular employee for cash advance. Select first an employee, the date of transaction, the cash amount that is handed to the employee, the description of usage. If all is done, click the Save Cash Advance button. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.